Afternoon everybody, it's Bella here. Come back to play a little bit more with this beautiful kit, but I'm doing some of my own ephemera at the moment, so I'll go through it because I have made a start and I just wanted to play, and half the time I forget to put the camera on, so forgive me. Anyway, let me show you what I'm up to. I'm making this little envelope to go in the middle of my journal. So what I've done, I've put some lovely paper on there, and I've stamped using the Tim Holtz stamp around there like this. Okay, nothing difficult. It's all very simple. I'll show you that in a minute. And I've just put some tracing paper on there. Well, it's baking paper actually, and a little. Have I got him at the right? Yes, the badger. Yes. So I've made a little cluster here, which I'm going to glue down onto this, and that goes there. And the opening is at the top here. And I've made this one. I made that one before actually. So this is that's upside down, so I can see now. I've got my glasses on. Good job I noticed that, wasn't it? Anyway, that's going there, and that will finish this side off. All right, and I thought I'd put a little butterfly on there, which I need to ink up because I've just found it. So I tried to get as much prepared ready so that I'm not boring you all to death. I won't be doing everything on camera, obviously, because I'll never get the journal finished otherwise. But what I think you might be interested in, I'll try and show you. Okay, so let's glue this down. Let's see how we get on with this. I hope you're all well. Rachel's dog had 7 puppies, bless their heart. Seemed to go on and on and on, just like my babies. When I had my baby, they went on and on and on. They didn't want to come out, they wanted to stay with mum. And but anyway, it's all over now, and the pups are all okay, so that's good. 7 pups, eh? So when I called over there yesterday because we had some packages to send off, and when I went in, she was lying headlong in the cupboard with where they keep the dogs when they're having their puppies, and I couldn't find her. She was right underneath with the dog, cooing and chatting away to her and keeping her company. So that's why you're not seeing Rachel, you're seeing me instead. She'll be back soon, but she's well. Rachel's well, and she was shattered, absolutely shattered. She'll have her work cut out now with 7 pups, won't she? But you know, she thrives on it. And guess what? The sun is out today, so she can, what she did last year, because she had the black Labrador pups last year, and they were gorgeous. And she put them out in a plate, like a playpen, out the garden. So when we go over, they were all inside this playpen. It was hilarious, and all the kids were getting in with them. Her three boys were climbing in there with them, and it was a scream. So we all had turns of holding these lovely puppies. So we're looking forward to that. So hopefully now with the sun out, maybe she'll be able to set up the playpen again for these. I've got that upside down again, haven't I? Never mind. You'll have to bear with me. I am a bit dizzy. My husband says I'm dizzy, especially when I get nervous. But there we are. That's the way it is, isn't it? Just put our butterfly on now. Thank you for your lovely comments yesterday. It means so much when people take the time to comment or put a like up, and you know, it makes it all worthwhile, doesn't it? That's nice, isn't it? There we go. And I forgot to tell you, I put some that church paper has gone everywhere. It's inside there, so it's a bit of a backing on there. So that's that. So there we go. That side's done. Okay. It was going out of focus a bit yesterday when I was looking back on the video, so it must be because I'm raising my hands too high or something. I know you can alter that, but I haven't got a clue, so I'm sorry if it's bouncing about. Right, I'll do the inside in a moment. I just want to show you this that I made. Now all this is, do you remember what I was painting on yesterday? It was the baking paper, baking parchment, or whatever you want to call it. So I thought, I'm not going to waste it. I know there's a bit of blue here and there, but you can't see it on here. I was a bit fussy where I cut it or ripped it. So hopefully this will stick it. Otherwise we'll have to get out the dreaded fabric tack and glue it down. But I think this will be okay. Do you know what I find actually works better on this paper is the glue stick. Perhaps I should have done that. I'll tell you what I did in a moment, but there we go. Can you see it? So that's what we finished up with there. And that's the beautiful kit tags. Okay. Hi everyone, it's Bella. I'm back. I found my, I'll show you what they're called. They're called Patina for All Metal Aged Bronze. That's the colour, aged bronze. And this was what Tracy Fox was using. That's why I bought them. So permanent fast drying. But I honestly can't remember what she put in with them in the bag. So what I plan to do and what I've done on this one, I just painted it straight on. Or actually I just dropped it on with the dropper. But this is beautiful, and I've got this in here and I added water to it. So that will make some lovely marks on a page, I think. So I'm going to keep that for putting on different things and tags. So this one is called Patina for All Metal Anti-Copper. Warning, irritant, contains whatever that word is. I'll put it up to the camera so you can see. Okay. I hope my thing's working today because it was going all out of focus the other day, wasn't it? And that's permanent for drying as well. Okay, but I'm going to go with this one, I think. And the other thing I did, I was watching 49 Dragonflies, and she was using, but she had bronze. I've only got gold. So metallic gilding polish. So this is what I used on this leaf. All right. So we'll have a go. We'll do both and you can see how I did them. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to, I got my brush this time. I did use a dauber, that one there, but that wasn't very successful. So let's try it this way. I can get in between all the grooves. I hope you're all well and cheerful and happy. The weather's gone back to being a bit miserable, but who cares? There we go. So this is the gild, okay, and that is taking quite nicely there. And according to Barbara, she said it does dry very quickly. So there we are. I don't know whether you can see the gold on there, can you? And I think that one's dry already, that one there. So that's with the gilding paste. Oops. Oh. It's not on there anyway, is it? Anyway, never mind. Let's not waste it. Let's put it on a little birdie. It's all over my fingers. Whatever I do, I get in a mess. But never mind. It's all fun, isn't it? So I'm not going to worry about it. Can you see? I hope I'm not going off out of frame. There's nothing worse, is there? Been over to Rachel's today to see the puppies again. They're all doing well. Rachel's less tired and a bit more energy, so that's nice. There we are, that's that one. Right, so I'll leave that there and put that one down there a minute. If I can find the lid. Oh, I've got a funny story to tell you. I'm wearing the strangest magnifying glasses you've ever seen. Do you want to have a look at them? I'll show you now. There they are. Aren't they weird? I've had to take my glasses into the opticians So I need to see delicate things. So I thought, right, I'll use these. So there we are. You can have a good laugh now, can't you? But you're not going to see me wearing them. That's for sure. Now, this is what I did with this. Here I go. I'm going to get a mess again. I not do it over the gold ones, did I? Now, I know that Tracy Fox did it quite differently. She put it in a bag. So I'll have to go and watch the video again. But I'm doing it like this for now. And it seems to be working, so I'm not going to worry about it. And it's fast drying, as they say, so we might have some bronzy leaves. Wouldn't that be fun if we did? I didn't have to buy any. So I told you I'm using all my my stash. There we go. They're very similar. I don't know with these glasses. I can't really tell. So maybe you can tell better than I can. And I'm not going to lift up the page because it goes out of focus. So I hope you can see it. All right. So we got a little owl there. Now what should we do in bronze or gold? Ooh, big decisions. Bronze or gold? Oh, what about you? Or is that introducing too many colours? I don't know. Let's see. I'm not sure about that. I'm going to stick to 2 colours, I think. I think I'm going to do him the bronze. If it was an eagle, I'd do him the gold. Where's my tweezers? I warn you, this is messy. This is mixed media, so you expect it to be messy, don't you? So these are silver or chrome, whatever they're made of, and it's going on there quite well, actually. I'm surprised. So there we are. Let's move it off the colours and then I'll turn it over. When they've all dried, I'll turn it over. That's nice, isn't it? The gold. So we've got a nice mixture here, haven't we, going? So that's jolly fun. What about doing, I wonder what that is. Now, is that a swallow or is that, what is it? I don't know. Oh, there's another owl. We'll do him while we're at it, shall we? There we are. I hope you can see this. I'm miles away from the camera, aren't I? Sorry. That's all I did. And then let it drip off down there. I think I put too much on there. I don't know whether it's make any difference. I want to see his eyes, don't we? So, but it's not dripping off, so I might have to, let's use one of those daubers. Ah, that worked. There you go. If you put too much on, just dab it off. Okay, isn't that good? I'm really loving this. Ooh, this is fun. Right. Glasses are slipping off my nose. So, making decisions, that's the problem, isn't it? All right. Perhaps you should have stuck to just one. But we're doing okay. I think these are working out really well. I don't know what you think, but I'm quite pleased. All right, let's do this one next. I hope this is showing up on camera. I better check on in view. Yep, I think so. I'll move out that way. Do you know, we all try our best to stay on camera, but the body's a funny thing. It tends to do its own thing and it tends to move. Especially when you can't see. But I've had my eyes, my cataracts removed. And what happened is I have a slight, one eye slightly out with the other, and it's causing double vision. So I've got to go and see a specialist. So I'm a bit disappointed today, but there we are. It's not the end of the world. There's worse things than that going on, isn't there? So I'm not going to you know. There we are. Oh, I hope this brush isn't making it go out of, I forgot about that. Sorry if it is. I'm doing my best. Rachel will be back soon. She's having a few days rest. She's had a good week, a really good week. She's still getting in the cupboard with the dogs. And she ended up, she had 3 girls and 4 boys. So 4 dogs and 3 bitches. So that was a nice number, wasn't it? Right, I'll do that one in a minute. So I'm not sure I'm going to use all these in the thing, but they're always handy for later on, aren't they? Because I don't think we're very fond of silver, are we, in our journals? I don't know what you think, but I tend to go with chrome, or not chrome, sorry, bronze or, yeah, bronze. I'm just hoping and praying that I'm not going in out of focus. Rachel took all my WhatsApp photographs and videos off today, so hopefully my camera won't cut out, because that's why it was cutting out all the time yesterday. Quite stressful yesterday. So I've got lots of memory on there now. That's what I'm trying to think of. The word memory. There we go. I haven't put as much on that one, but you're getting the gist, aren't you? Yeah? Let's get that out of there. Don't think I got any on there. Let me have a look. That's it. There we go. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Oh, I still got 2 to do. Right. I'll do those off camera. You don't want to be here all day watching me doing this. So let me just try and get them into some white areas where you can see it. So that's the big one. They're still to be done. That's Mr. Owl. Another Mr. Owl. I'm not very good with birdies. That looks like a cockatoo, doesn't it? That's the swallow, I think. And I'm not sure if that's not a swallow as well. So there we go. And this, I think that one's still a bit wet, actually. Oh, they say it's fast. Oh, gosh, it's stuck. I haven't done that side, see? Oh, I did. Yes, I did. I think I did. Yes, I did. I did that side. Do you know, I'm quite pleased with this. So there you go. So I'll show you the names of them again, in case I was out of focus. All right, that's called metallic gilding polish. All right, for your crafting projects. So that goes on there. And this is the one I used. I'll put the lid back on. That's called patina for all metal age bronze. And there's the number if you want it. Okay. Thanks for joining me. I'll speak to you again soon. Loved you all. Bye.